Neuroplasticity is the capacity of brain cells to change the neural networks in response to change. The best example of neuroplasticity's effect on brain structure is a study published in the year 2000 in which the navigation-related structural change in the hippocampus of 16 right-handed male licensed London taxi drivers for more than 1.5 years was compared to the control group of 50 healthy right-handed males who did not drive taxis. Hippocampus is a region of the brain which plays an important role in facilitating spatial memory in the form of navigation. Spatial memory refers to your ability to remember the location of an object or the occurrence of an event. It also allows you to plan a route to a required location. London taxi drivers are ideally suited for the study of spatial navigation because it takes them 2 years of extensive training, learning how to navigate between thousands of places in the city, and they had to pass very stringent set of police examinations to be licensed to operate, while the group of control subjects lacked such extensive navigation exposure. The data reported that control subjects showed greater volume in the anterior hippocampus, which taxi drivers had a greater volume in the posterior hippocampus. This data states that the structure of a healthy adult human brain is a response to environmental demands, has the capacity for local plastic change. Neuroplasticity takes place until the day we die, but brain plasticity declines as we age, which explains why it is usual to hear grandparents saying that they are too old to learn new things. In part, declining neuroplasticity in aging is associated with a decline in cognitive function. Various clinical studies have also reported that impaired neuroplasticity has been detected in patients with Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease at the earlier and later stages of these neurodegenerative diseases. There are different ways to increase neuroplasticity that you must start practicing from the mid-20s. You have to make sure that you are getting enough choline and B vitamin supplementation. The B vitamins boost the production of neurotransmitters, while choline is used to produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter required for neuronal plasticity. The next step is to ditch your GPS when driving because the usage of GPS doesn't make you use your brain to remember the route of your destination. So parts of your brain tend to shrink, which makes you prone to developing memory-affected diseases. Then you have to travel, learn new skills, and do new experiences because there is a link between new experiences and the growth of new dendrites within the brain. It's important to talk to your doctor or other professional before beginning any sort of supplementation or treatments. Feel free to contact us if you want us to give you the contact information of professionals who work with our network.